If you're not using the gripper in your workshop, what are you waiting for? The gripper is the only adjustable push block that gives you 3 directions of control to protect your hands, prevent kickback, and make better cuts. Downward pressure keeps your workpiece firmly on the table. Inward pressure keeps it tight to the fence to eliminate blade marks and prevent kickback. And smooth, consistent forward motion prevents burning on especially dense hardwoods. No other push block in the world offers this level of control, precision, and safety. Its powerful green grip gives you incredible traction on a wide variety of materials. The adjustable center leg allows the gripper to pass directly over the blade, controlling both the keeper and the offcut side of your workpiece through the entire cut. All with your hands safely clear the blade. The gripper is insanely easy to use. Just drop your balance support to match your material thickness and keep your gripper upright. Next, move the center leg over to the other side of the blade to control the offcut side of your workpiece. Keep your workpiece and your gripper tight to the fence and let her rip. Jackpot. With over 1,100 5-star reviews, the gripper is the best-selling, most wished-for table saw accessory on Amazon.com. So quit stalling. We've sold over 350,000 grippers worldwide. The gripper is made right here in the USA, and it's backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Visit us online at microjig.com to order yours today or to find a retailer near you. Microjig. Work safer, work smarter.
Ordinary screwdrivers all have the same problem. You have to hold the screw. Not anymore. The Works SD driver with automatic screw holder holds the screws for you. Drive screws with one hand, even above your head or in hard to reach places. Keep up to 6 bits on board and switch between them with the slide action. It's all powered by a lithium-ion battery that stays charged for up to 18 months. Need an extra hand? You've got it. The Works SD driver with automatic screw holder. Get yours today.
Stripped screws and broken driver bits are a waste of time. Introducing Impact Gold, the new innovation from Makita that lasts 10 times longer than standard driver bits. Engineered for both impact drivers and drills, extreme torsion technology is built for your most demanding jobs. Superior manufacturing keeps the Makita Impact Gold bit in the center of the fastener, and with fully accurate fitment and no gaps. Makita Impact Gold is engineered to minimize cam out, so they're ideal for your hard-working impact driver. Impact Gold's bit lock and torsion function equals less wobble and lasts 10 times longer than standard steel bits. Makita Impact Gold, the new gold standard in impact driving. Makita introduces new innovation in fastening, Impact Gold insert bits. Extreme torsion technology is built for your most demanding jobs. Superior manufacturing keeps the Makita Impact Gold bit in the center of the fastener, and with fully accurate fitment and no gaps. So, Impact Gold bits last 10 times longer than standard steel bits. Makita Impact Gold, the new gold standard in impact driving. Makita introduces new innovation in fastening, Impact Gold, double-ended power bits. Extreme torsion technology is built for your most demanding jobs. Superior manufacturing keeps the Makita Impact Gold bit in the center of the fastener, and with fully accurate fitment and no gaps, engineered for both impact drivers and drills. With magnetic tips, these double-ended power bits are simply a must-have. 2 bits on 1 convenient accessory. Makita Impact Gold, the new gold standard in impact driving. Makita introduces new innovation in fastening, Impact Gold, debris-free nut setters. Impact Gold debris-free nut setters stay cleaner longer than standard magnetic nut setters. The ring fit engineered into Impact Gold nut setters gives you all the holding power of a magnet without the debris buildup. Simply put, Impact Gold's nut setter outperforms standard nut setters. Makita Impact Gold, the new gold standard in impact driving. Makita introduces new innovation in fastening, Impact Gold, ultramagnetic insert bit holder. Attach the insert bit holder and get the advantage of ultra-magnetic rare earth neodymium. It has 2 times the magnetic strength over standard bit holders and the convenience of one-handed operation with no cam out, even at 2300 RPM. Makita Impact Gold, the new gold standard in impact driving. Makita introduces new innovation in fastening, Impact Gold, tilt socket adapter. Makita Impact Gold socket adapters tilt up to 15 degrees, great for use in tight work areas. These versatile adapters also work great in the straight position. No need to carry 2 adapters. 1 Impact Gold adapter does it all. Makita Impact Gold, the new gold standard in impact driving.
This is the Bosch 1617 EVS variable speed router. With a 2.25 horsepower 12-amp motor, this router can provide 8,000 to 25,000 RPM and tackle those tough routing applications and materials. Turn the speed up or down with the variable speed dial depending on the job at hand. This Bosch router is available with plunge and fixed bases. The fixed base has threaded holes to mount to a router table. The wide base opening and 2-inch subwoofer opening accepts larger bits, while the front spindle lock lets you easily and quickly change bits. Coarse and microfine adjustment knobs allow for versatile, precise depth adjustment. Soft start reduces startup torque, and constant response circuitry helps to maintain a constant speed under load while providing overload protection. Precision centering design makes it easy to keep the bit on the intended outline when using jigs, templates, dovetail fixtures, and other guidance devices. Right or left switch location allows for user preference and consistency so the motor doesn't rotate during depth adjustment. Contoured soft grip handles enhance comfort and control. So there you have it, the Bosch 1617 EVS variable speed router. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch power tools.
The work,
the tunes, the comfort. 3M WorkTunes Connect hearing protector with gel cushions. Premium gel-infused comfort. Bluetooth wireless technology. High fidelity audio. Make and take calls without missing a beat. No cords, no hassle. Complete comfort. Built to perform.
This is a quick video to show you how to flip the blade or rule on the Swanson Tool Company combination squares. I used our 6-inch, the TC130, just for purposes of this demonstration, but it works the same way for all of the combination squares we make. Right now you've got the centimeters on the top, and maybe you want to be able to mark the 30 seconds straight across. Just loosen this nut, slide the blade out, and so long as you remember to accommodate that little notch for the channel cut into the blade, you're good to go. Tighten, and it's just that simple. Now you've got the 30 seconds on top, and you're good to go. Same thing for the 1/8 and 16th marks on this side of the blade. The notch is always going to be on this side, so the channel always has to be on this side, but you can flip it and get the 16ths on top for easy marking too.